If you want to lock apps on your iPhone and keep your privacy safe, in this video I'll show you how to do it step by step. First, go to your iPhone home screen and find the app you want to lock. For example, let's say you want to lock a social media app like TikTok. Now, tap and hold on the app icon. Make sure you press and hold, don't just tap it. After a second, a menu will appear with several options. Here, you'll see an option called Require Face ID. Tap on it. Now you'll get two options. The first one is Require Face ID, and the second one is Hide and Require Face ID. If you select Require Face ID, the app will stay visible, but every time you open it, your iPhone will ask for Face ID. If you choose Hide and Require Face ID, the app will be hidden from your home screen, and you'll only find it inside the app library in a hidden folder. For now, let's select Require Face ID. Once you confirm with Face ID, the app is now locked. Now, if you try to open that app again, your iPhone will ask for Face ID before giving access. And that's it. Your app is now secured and private. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips and tricks.